Scotty?
Well, we solved some problems while we're disassembling. I don't know how familiar a lot of you guys are with the C3 door jamb switches.
Yeah, they're not like
they're normal for a door jamb switch as far as it goes, but
they have to ground.
They have to ground not just through here, but they also ground to the body.
Yep, in the very little bit of metal substructure the car has.
Exactly. And this has been painted.
Over.
Really, really bad. So this is going to have to be wire wheeled, cleaned. I'll give it a gentle polish. Nothing too major because they weren't super high gloss polish back in the day. Now let's look at the driver's side. We can't even get the wires off.
Yeah.
I'm not taking the chance of damaging a good part, so I'll double check after I clean it. And that's really, really bad. But what do you keep seeing?
Blue paint.
I know you can't hear it. Blue paint. So the car was originally blue, but it's been painted over so bad that I don't know if you can see that. That's been pinched and jammed. It's not even round anymore. So we're just trying to save time, just nitpick it so we can pull everything out in one shot. Wiring harness for the passenger side door. We're not going to undo it. At least not yet. So I'll drape that here. Then when I get to the driver's side, I'll pull that one, drape that one there. So that will alleviate having to yank things the wrong way. Then when I get inside the door, I can just kind of feed everything through and pull it through. It just makes life so much easier. So, but yeah, I mean, we're getting there slowly but surely.
Scotty's plugging away on the inside. Yep. I'm plugging away up here in the engine bay.
Which should be, if everything goes right, the engine bay's almost done. We've got almost all of it out already.
I pretty much have to just undo it at the fuse block and pull everything that way.
Then we should be good.
And then undo the lights, and that's
I'll start feeding everything through, and then
because everything terminates at the
right at the well. It's a two-piece.
Yeah, it bolts to the fuse block.
Yeah, so we'll take care of that, get that taken care of, and then run everything through, and start getting it labeled in its prospective place, and then stop for lunch.
Yes.
And then we'll get back on it.
10 to 11. We're kicking ass.
Kicking ass and taking names, or is it taking names and kicking ass? I never remember.
Well, what about kicking names?
Put the thingy to the floor and the metal to the pedal, and yeah.
Detroit, whatever. Detroit Rock City! I don't know why.
Come on, guys. Comments on the video. Where was that line from?
Yes! We need to do movie quotes in the... Movie quotes, question and answer.
No, yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker, is not it.
Yes. All right. So I'm up here. There's multiple vacuum lines that go to nowhere. Shocking. Here's all of our starter wiring and our battery cable and all of that, which Scotty, I believe, we'll get to that in his side. Oh, hey, look. It's like Cousin It. All right, so I'm undoing that. I got to finish up here at the lights. Not a big deal. Get that handled and done. Yay! Yay!
We've got... I'm trying not to cut the harness in case we need anything specific.
Yes.
For whatever reasons, because it's a C3, it's just the way it is. You need spares of damn near everything.
Yes, and when this car does go home and it's done, we're going to send all the wiring with Maurice, because it's nice to have all this extra stuff.
And
everyone wants extras for their car.
With the way they did this...
Uh-oh. I can see your hand, yeah.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Hot Mess Express.
Yeah, I mean, it's not right. But it's okay.
Oh, boy. All right, so Scotty's got that. I'm at the point now, I got to just reach in down here, undo that at the firewall. Can't see it, but it's easy. Get all that out. Pull some light wiring, and we're done.
Can we tell where it was glued?
Yes.
That's effing ridiculous.
That's a problem.
But we got everything out.
And intact.
And there is...
Ooh, something's loose.
It's not intact.
Not intact. Oh, fun.
So
yeah,
I know how to...
missing the lens on this side.
Yeah, completely. And I know how to rebuild them and clean them a bit.
All right. So we got to find what's rattling about.
Yeah, so this will go...
Scotty will do that. I go on the bench.
Nope. That's too dirty. That hasn't been cleaned yet.
Okay, that'll go in its spot.
I mean, these are already trashy.
But let's not make it worse.
Yeah, exactly. Let's try and keep them as safe and sound as we can. I'll go through them, clean them up, make sure that they're usable and salvageable to use the car.
So here is all kinds of harness.
The absolute monkey and a football at best. So, I don't know how many of you can see it,
Let me get
but
in
we've
here.
got a harness that goes through here, which I'm probably just going to cut because we have the new one, so it's not a big deal.
Yes.
I'll find the wiring and everything that goes to, right, that's the stereo. We can't screw that up.
That's the antenna.
Yeah, we can't screw that up, so I'll cut everything around that.
Yep, undo the zip ties
Yep.
and such.
I'll follow, and I think I've got that here, if I remember correctly. This one goes to the driver's side door.
Yeah, and I'm undoing up there,
Yeah.
so we'll have
So
that.
I think I'll wrap it, undo this, take the antenna, put that to safety, the door, put that to safety, and then I'm just going to start cutting.
Cut and
I mean,
get it out.
it's the only way to do it.
Basically start from scratch.
Yeah, because I mean, I want to save this for the headlight. It's okay, I didn't touch the pretty lady.
Oh my God.
The headlight switch. I don't know how many of the bulbs we're going to need.
Well,
So
we're gonna
I'm
buy
thinking,
those
well,
too.
these look,
Pretty new. We'll test them. I can get those. I can get those in packs of 10 for less than Joe Blow off the street can get a 2-pack. Scotty's checking bulbs because he's Scotty.
only because I know how much of a pain in the butt this can be to try and find when you need one.
They're easily accessible
Yeah,
from the zone. The zone. Oh, and all the zip tie mess, that's fucking horrendous.
Yeah.
There's excess tape too. There's not even factory tape. There's extra.
Oh
on top
no,
of
there's
that.
somebody. I mean, I don't get me wrong.
I think
know
somebody
we all have to
attempted to
learn.
rewire.
I know we all have to learn, no matter who you are, no matter what your job is, no matter what you're trying to learn. We all have to learn how to become better than what we are. You can only be better than you were yesterday. Never try and be better than somebody else. If you improve yourself, you improve everybody. That's what it boils down to for me. But when you don't know what you're doing, like this complete mess, ask for help.
Yes.
Ask for help. Don't be embarrassed about it. Ask
Don't be
for
too
help.
proud. Yeah, let's not even discuss that
no.
stuff.
Um,
We're here for wiring.
Yep. So I'm going to start cutting and clipping and snipping and tripping.
And I'm gonna undo the front, and we should be
Somewhere in the middle.
good.
Yeah.
And brake.